Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on this look right here. Honestly, with this look, I was just making this up as I go, and I absolutely love how it ended up turning out. So if you guys would like to see how I got this look, be sure to keep on watching. If you guys like how this look came out, let me know in the comment section down below. It is officially New Year, so happy New Year's to everyone. I love you guys so much. But yeah, without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Okay you guys, so let's get right into it. So you all know the drill. I'm taking my Plouise base in the shade Rumor 4 to prime my eyelids, and as you guys can see, my eyebrows are already done. I was going for a more natural, fluffier brow this time. So now I'm taking the Wet n Wild pencil eyeliner and I'm using that to create the shape. I'm stenciling it out first before I go in with any shadow to blend it out. And being that we have the base underneath, it's going to be a lot easier to blend out that pencil liner. So now I'm taking a flat shader brush and I'm using the edges of the brush just to blend out the liner. As you all can see, I'm leaving the middle of my eyelids bare. That's kind of the shape that I was going for. So now that that's blended out, I'm taking the Warrior 2 palette from Juvia's Place and I'm using that black shade, and I am taking a small pencil brush and I'm tapping that black on the liner first just so that it doesn't appear patchy underneath, and then I'm going in and blending it, as you can see there. So this is what it should look like when it's all blended. Now I'm taking a makeup remover wipe just to clean my lid space before we go in with the eyeshadow on our lids. So I'm taking the L'Oreal liquid eyeshadow. I can't remember the name of it, but the number is 410, and I'm using a brush just to make the shadow more precise, but I am gonna go in with my finger just to blend it. Because it's a liquid eyeshadow, it can appear a little bit patchy, so you want to make sure you're using both a brush and your finger to make sure that the color is fully saturated and it's not patchy at all. So now I'm going back in with that black shadow and I am smoking out the edges of my eyes. And then I'm taking the remainder that I had on the back of my hand and I'm using that on my brow bone just to give my brow bone some color. Now I'm taking another Wet n Wild eyeliner. This is the liquid liner and I'm using that to line my upper lid. And now moving to the face, I am taking my MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation in the color NC45 and I'm using that to blend on my face. And then I'm going in with the L'Oreal concealer in the shade Cashew, and I am blending that on my forehead, under eye, bridge of my nose, upper lip, and chin. I'm going back and forth with the Real Technique sponge and also my foundation brush. Now I am contouring my face, so I'm taking the Jordana contour stick in the shade 03, and I'm going to use a Real Techniques fluffy brush just to blend that all out. Now, just to brighten up some of my highlighted areas, I'm taking the e.l.f. Hydrating Concealer in Light Peach, and with this blend, I'm blending it a little bit tighter. I'm not going all over my eye because that was what the other concealer was for. So with this, you want to just keep it concentrated in the areas that you want brighter. So now I'm taking my Maybelline loose powder in medium, and I set my under eyes and my highlighted areas with that. And then I took my pressed powder, the Maybelline powder in 330 to set all over my face. Now I'm taking the L'Oreal Lumi bronzer in the shade 02 and 03. I'm taking 02 first just to bronze up my skin, and then I'm taking 03 just to intensify it. As you can see, 03 is a lot stronger. Now I'm taking the Wet n Wild eyeliner pencil again, and I'm using that in my waterline. And then I'm taking the black shadow again from the Warrior 2 palette, and I am using that to smoke out my bottom lash line. I'm also blending that color to meet the top as well. Now I'm taking the L'Oreal liquid eyeshadow again and using that in my inner corner. And then I'm taking the MAC Fix Plus spray and spraying that all over my face, and then tapping in the access. And then after applying my lashes, we're moving on to lips. So I was originally going for a ombre nude lip, but I didn't like how it looked with this eye. So I just took the Danessa Myricks clear gloss and just used that on my lips. Now for highlight, I'm taking the Profusion Holiday Collection palette, and I mixed the colors Lit and Valentine, and I use that as my highlight. And that is the finished look. I didn't actually show you guys, but I did add some gems. As you can see, the gems I purchased from Amazon. You could just look up rhinestone gems and you'll find it. But yeah, this is the final look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, this New Year's Eve glam tutorial. I had so much fun filming this for you guys. But yeah, let me know how you guys like this look in the comments. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much. I am looking forward for this new year. I have so much plans in terms of building my channel for the new year. So stay tuned with me, you guys. Continue rocking with me. I love you all so much, and I will see you all later. Peace.
Yeah. Whoa. Yeah.